So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama. Well, today, Andy and I are at the Yacht Club. We talk about the Yacht Club all the time on our videos. Well, today we are actually Friday afternoon. It is mullet toss weekend. We have a 20 plus year tradition of going to the mullet toss, meeting up on Friday for lunch with out of town friends and local friends. So today we're going to take you through the Yacht Club because we talk about it all the time. So let's get to it. Hey guys, if this is your first time to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell. That way you can be one of the first ones to learn all there is to know about living at the beach, what it's like to live here. So whether it's 9 days or 90 days from when you're thinking about making your move, give us a call, shoot us a text, email us, set up a Zoom. We'd love to meet with you face to face. We get calls and texts and emails from people just like you every single day, and we absolutely love it. So as I mentioned, we're going to go take a quick walk through the Yacht Club. You can come hang out with us while we get a bushwhacker. Andy's finishing inputting a listing. I just got done doing a final walkthrough for an out-of-state client. So we are going to go enjoy some bushwhackers and some lunch and enjoy our out-of-town friends and our local friends as well. So let's get to it. That's going to just about do it for today's video of the FLORABAMA Yacht Club, where we have always told you is one of our favorite places to come. It's where we love to come get a bushwhacker. You can hang out. They've got water here behind us. You can pull your boat up to. People do that all spring and summer long. You can go across the street to the FLORABAMA. They have live music here as well. This is also our #1 place to get a bushwhacker. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if this is your first time to the channel, to hit the like button, subscribe button, and ring the little bell so that you can be one of the first ones to learn all there is to know about what it's like to actually live at the beach. So we hope you enjoyed the video, and check out some of our other videos. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.